Hello crochet friends, welcome back. We're working on our teddy bear. We are on his arm today and we're continuing. So we are on round 9. Right now we have 15 stitches on our work. We're going to do a little bit of decrease on one stitch, so we'll go down to 14 for round 9. So first stitch is a decrease. So we're going to enter that front loop only, yarn over and pull through. Then the front loop of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. We have 3, yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, and then we are just going to single crochet the next 13 stitches. So that brings us down just one stitch, just to kind of draw it in a little bit. We're kind of giving it a little shape now. So hopefully you were able to get through that little bulk of the 4 through 8. And it all turned out well for you, I hope. Okay, so this is round 9. So we will have 14 stitches, like I was saying. We're really moving along here. Don't forget that you need 2 arms for your little bear here. And I think this is turning out lovely. I'm liking it so far. I like this yarn. It's very soft. It feels nice. I think it's going to make a nice little teddy bear. Okay, I have 2 more here. It is small, just take your time. You can hold it kind of like a thimble, or you could, squish it a little bit and try to reach in there for your stitches. Okay, that was 9. Let's go on to 10. 10 is just a single crochet each of these stitches around. So we have 14 now, so just single crochet these 14 stitches, going all the way around back to your marker. Here we go. All right, here's my last one, number 14. There we go. I'm going to move up my marker. It's the end of round 10. We have 14 stitches, and we're going to go on to 11. So 11, we're going to decrease again at the very beginning. So we're going to go in that front loop only of that first stitch, yarn over and pull through, front loop of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3. Okay, and then we're going to single crochet the next 12 stitches. So we'll have 13 all together. So these are just going to be all single crochets. It's a little tight. Take your time. I don't know about you, but I kind of feel like it's getting a little bit tight on here, but just don't want them to be messy. I'm trying to keep them looking the same. I did find that the squeezing it like this tends to help a little bit. But everybody does things differently. So you just experiment, try doing different things to see what makes it more comfortable for you, right? Because we don't want our hands to get uncomfortable or fumbly with our stitches here so that they don't look nice and neat, okay? Just take your time with it. I know I say that a lot, but we tend to want to get things done. I'm that way. I want to just be done with it, but sometimes we have to be nice and neat and and have a little extra patience, right? Okay, that's my last one. So I'm going to take out my marker. We have 13 stitches on our work. So let's go on to round 12. Ooh. Wow, we are really moving along. Round 12 starts with a decrease also. So front loop, yarn over and pull through. Front loop of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3. And now we're going to single crochet our remaining stitches. Okay, so there should be 11. So just double check that you have 11 and just single crochet all the way to your marker. Here we go. Okay, this is my last one. I did give them a count. Everything seems to be in order. I'm going to pull out my marker. Okay, that was the end of round 12. 13 and 14 are both the same. We're just going to single crochet each stitch around. We currently have 12 stitches total on our work. So we're just going to go around for 13 and 14 with single crochets. So that's nice and easy, right? Okay, just go ahead, do 13 and 14. Here we go. Okay, This is stitch 11 and this is 12. Okay, we have 12 stitches for 13 and 14 for each round. So I'm going to move out my marker. Okay, this is what we look like. These are our little arms, and we're going to need to stuff these. We do need to do a slip stitch here at the end. So when we get to that very end, we're going to slip stitch my tail all the way to our very first stitch. So enter that first stitch, yarn over and pull through again for a slip stitch. All right, pull that up. We're going to leave ourselves a nice long tail to sew this on. Stuff this, make 2 of these, okay? So make sure you have 2 arms, and we'll meet up next time to start working on the ears. I will see you then. Thank you, and have a joyful day.